Hi friends, today I am going to share with you a few tips on IELTS writing. The first tip is to keep it simple. It is important to remember that the IELTS writing tasks are not testing how well you know the subject or how smart you are. They assess your ability to present ideas clearly and cohesively in English. Therefore, it's important to structure paragraphs and sentences so that they present one idea per sentence and one controlling idea per paragraph. Support your arguments with evidence, such as an example or explanation. Then conclude your paragraph by linking the support to your thesis. Also, always proofread your essay. You should look for small mistakes in spelling and grammar. Read your essay and make sure that it is cohesive and add sentences or phrases to make stronger connections between ideas if you need to. Thank you and stay tuned.